Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Netflix account using the Netflix app on your Android phone. If you want to close your account for good, follow these simple steps carefully. Let's get started and make sure your account is deleted. First, open the Netflix app on your Android phone. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile tab. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Account. Scroll down until you find the Delete Account option, then tap on it. If you still have an active membership, check the box that says, "Yes, I want to permanently delete my Netflix account at the end of my current billing period." Click on Permanently Delete. Finally, tap Done. If your membership is active, your account will be deleted permanently at the end of your billing period. If not, your account will be deleted immediately. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on deleting your Netflix account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.